everyone, welcome back to Tips and Tricks. Well, sorry for being inactive over the past week or 2 weeks or so because I have exams. Well, let's leave and let's talk about this thing. So, you have already seen this. It is the PC Health Check app. So, why am I making another video about it? Well, they have recently put down the app and they have again made a fresh app, even though it looks similar, especially in the introducing Windows 11 feature. So, let's have a look at it. Check now. Speedy regular. Okay, so there's some extra content. Windows 11 features aren't available in Windows 11. Okay, I'll check it out. Then we press see all results. You get all this. The speed supports boot, TPM 2.0, processor, at least 4 GB of system memory, system disk is 64 GB or larger. I should have 2 or more cores. Is 1 GHz or faster. Clock speed is 2.3 GHz. So it gives all this interesting results, which are interesting. So if I go to device specifications, it opens a Firefox window, but we don't want to have a look at Firefox windows. So we can hide all results, we can close it, and everything's the same. Startup time, everything. So that's it for this video, guys. This is a short video. Actually, to get this app, I'll put a link in the description below, because it will be very confusing where to find this app at all. In the previous video also I did not mention where to find the app. Well, actually I have downloaded it before, I have used it for a while. I just not used it, I have kept it for a while. Then after it was taken down, I have made a video about it, so I couldn't give it the link at that time. But now I can give you the link. Or if you don't want to, press on the link or do something like that, just go to Google and type upgrade to Windows 11. Just type that. You will get a Microsoft official upgrade to Windows 11. And then you click on it, you scroll down, you get download the PC Health Check app. Just download, it will give an MSI file. Download it wherever you want, or your desktop, or your downloads, or a separate repository, and then run it. And then check out if your system can run Windows 11. Well, I'm also gonna make another video about Windows 11 when my PC gets the turn to download Windows 11. Because actually my PC is like about 1 year old. It was bought on September 13th of 2020. So it's gonna take some time. First they're gonna give the 2021 PCs first, then 2020 PCs, then 19, then 18, like that. And if your system doesn't support, no problem. You can have a USB stick. Through that USB stick, you can download the ISO file and run it, but you're not gonna get any updates. Any Windows updates you're not gonna get if you do that way. And by the way, Windows 10 is available till October 25th, 2025. So if your system doesn't support Windows 11, I recommend staying at Windows 10. Don't go through the ISO and download. It's very risky too. It cleans up all the system files. Means if you don't know how to back up your files, you're gonna lose everything. Images, software, any games, everything you're gonna lose. So if you don't know about it, just don't do it. Go through the regular update process. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel.